made it up here to an E85 station that's supposed to be testing good. So we got our tester in the car. Hold on, look at the 15s though. But we got our tester in the car.
For a week, I mean,
Yep.
mom's bleeding.
Y'all know about that, Draco. 5 tester right here. So basically, we're gonna fill that line up with water, pump the rest up to the fill line, and wherever the yellow line is, I guess, is how much the E85 is testing. So we got pretty close to the water fill line, pretty much right on it. So we should be able to get an accurate reading on how much this E85 is rated. So we'll see. Put everything up. It says give it a good shake and keep it upright. So we're gonna see what quality this E85 is testing. You guys can see the tester just finished. It is reading a little over E90, so probably like around E92. The line looks pretty much even to me, so we're just gonna call it E90 for now. This should be good enough to do some logs. They told me I just need to be over, I think 75 or 80% ethanol. So let's get to pumping it. First full tank pump of E going in the car right now. Let me know you guys' honest opinion on the ESS kit. What do you think about the kit on the car? What kit do you think I should have went with? I know I've already posted too many races. I had that one race with the Hellcat. If you haven't seen that video, we'll be leaving that right there. Yeah, that was a yellow jacket. Pretty much FBO, headers, E85, lower upper pulley. I think he did get some new mods now. I'm not going to disclose all his information to burn him out or anything. But yeah, it's pretty much a lot done to it. Probably around 800 to 900 wheel. I don't know what to expect with this. This car is very light, if you guys don't know. BMRK member, front bare brakes. A lot of shit taking out the car. 15s in the front, drag in the back. We are on 315s if you guys are wondering. All done pumping E. Let's get right to the data logs, baby. We're gonna start the log. They said to run it for about 1 to 2 minutes on the idle, so we're gonna do that. So I guess we don't have to do all the little revs and idle and stuff, so we let the car idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and give Lund some logs. We're gonna do second gear, and then we're gonna do a third gear, so around 2500. Like I said, guys, after putting in E85, the next mod was fixing this fucking carbon fiber hood. And look at this. Oh my god, we finally got that back. So the car is coming well together, man. Look at this motherfucker. We're gonna take the car for a spin. Got my little bro up in the driver's seat, so gonna see if we can make it tilt, baby. Yeah. Oh, bro, know what to do with the power. Popped up.
Damn, we don't eat?
Yeah, it's a full E.
Oh, I know you ain't got no motherfucker in there like that, boy. It's low-key hard to even play with the throttle. It's like light as fuck. It's like what them dogs just got, the pedal commander.
Oh, yeah. Ain't never been 1,000 horsepower before.
Yeah, boy! I tell you, look at this street right here. Yeah, we gotta do this on the freeway. You can't even keep this bitch in the lane.
I told you. That nigga's trying to
You can't, like, on God in heaven, like, not even for the camera, you really can't keep this shit in the fucking lane.
said, don't tell nobody your times. Come on now. Nobody knowing these motherfuckers.
Half mile.
I hope I was at 40. I'll be low-key trying to pay attention to the road, so I'm not really too sure. We're gonna try another one though on the 50 road. I can tell you this right now. This motherfucker had your motherfucking heart beating like a motherfucker. I can't even stop cussing out motherfucking crazy this shit felt right now, boy. This is probably gonna be our last pull before we're gonna need some gas because we're not really supposed to be doing any pulls under a quarter tank. I'm already pushing it with half a tank, so one more pull. All right, here goes the final pull. Let's see what we can pull on the 6130. What's this idiot doing? Got my boy Tone right there. He's gonna be trying to get the flyby. I don't know if he got that last flyby, but let's try to get one this time. Supposed to be shifting itself, but it's not, so we got to figure out what's up with that. We're gonna try to get one more. I'm gonna just keep it in D this time. Third gear. Besides the pulls though, just listen how this car is sounding. Oh my god.